Okay, I would like to explain DSE 2018 question 2 is about bank reconciliation statement. So let's see the requirements. Okay, we have to do the update the cash at bank account for Sonic Company and also write up a bank reconciliation statement at 31st December 2017. Okay, so let's do part A first. Okay, for doing bank reconciliation statement, the first thing we have to do is to make sure the approach, okay, the process, we have to do this kind of questions. So we have two steps for doing this type of question, or two types. Okay, type A, type B. Okay, so for type A, I will use red plant. Okay, is first we have to update cash account or bank cash at bank account, and then second, update the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, and for type B, purple. Okay, we update the BRS first, and then update the bank account. So okay, from this question we can see that type A, okay, in this case type A should be used for during the bank statement. So we have to update the cash at bank account first and update the bank reconciliation statement. So okay, after we decided the type, we have to do it. The next step is to, according to this 6 information, so we have to decide, okay, whether it is updated on our bank account or update on the BRS. Okay, so we can do, actually we can do it, okay, do the A1. A1 is we open a cash at bank account. So cash at bank account is a T account. And we type cash at bank. Okay, so remember, cash at bank account is increase in debit side, decrease in credit side. Okay, so let's see the information one. Okay, before we see the information, we look at the balance. The cash at bank account of Sonic Company show a debit balance of 50,000 at 31st December 2017, and it did not agree with the balance in the bank statement on that day. And the following information related to the financial year ended 31st December 2017 was available. So actually we have the balance brought down that 50,000. And okay, for one, check 245896 for 33,500 from a customer was dishonored and returned by the bank. the bookkeeper record the amount as 3,500 when the check was returned. So okay, you have to think about the story why the check is dishonored, because okay, actually we received a check. That means Sonic Company received a check from a customer that is 33,500. When we receive the check, so that our cash at bank account increase. However, the check was dishonored and returned by the bank. That means the bank returned the check to us. Okay, so here what should we do? We have to credit our cash at bank, because originally we record the increase of our bank on debit side, but the amount that 33,500 cannot be received. Okay, so we have to credit the check. Okay, so our bookkeeper records the amount as 3,500. Okay, so on the credit side, we have to write down trade receivable, and for the amount that is 33,500 minus 3,500, so it is 30,000, and we can record 1. Okay, second, the cash at bank account include a check 7239584 6,300 dated 3rd of January, which was a settlement to a supplier. Okay, we have to notice the date. Actually, the date we do the update the bank and BRS is 31st of December 2017. However, the check 723,956 dated on 2018. Okay, so it is post-dated check, and for post-dated check it cannot be processed. Therefore, actually we want to pay 6,300 to our supplier. However, this is a post-dated check, so the check cannot be processed. So therefore, we have to write down 6,300 on debit side to record an increase of trade payable. So let's see number 3. Check 723,861 for 10,390, which was issued to a supplier on 18 July 2017, was recorded in the book, but had not been shown on the bank statement. Okay, had not been shown on the bank statement. Tell us that we have to do this in our BRS. Okay, BRS. So we have to neglect it in cash at bank account. So number 4. It was found that a check 765,793 465,793 dated 28th April 2017 for 4,430, which was received from a customer, was still kept in the drawer of the bookkeeper on 31st December 2017. It had been recorded in the cash at bank account upon receipt. It is the bank practice not to honor check outstanding for more than 6 months. So the story is that we have a check dated 28 April 2017 and received it from a customer, so that we record in debit side on 2017 April 28th. But we haven't processed the check. And because the check has over 6 months, so the check cannot be processed. And so that we have the record on our credit side. So number 5, check 723912 for 9,310 had been issued to a supplier on 22nd November 2017. The check was lost in transit, but no entry had been made in respect of its cancellation. Okay, because there are no entries had been made in respect of the cancellation, therefore we have to record it. Okay, 9,310 trade payable is number 5. So number 6, check 325698 for 4,100 was deposited in a bank and record in the books on 29 December, but it had not been credited by the bank. So the bank had not been credited, so this is also a BRS, uncredited check. Okay, so for the cash at bank account, we can do the balance off. Okay, so let me let's do the balance off. So on the debit side, we have 50,000 plus 6,300, but 9,310. Okay, so please help me to add the total. Okay, we have 65,610. So for the debt credit side, we also have 65,610. So we have to minus 30,000 and 4,430, and we have 31,180. So let's do the part B. I may use another pen or green one. Okay, so we write down bank. Is it. So for the heading, you just copy from the answer. So we use the balance carried out. We count it as the adjusted balance as per cash book. that is 31,180. And okay, remember the process. If we do the type A is we add this on, we add unpresented check and less uncredited check. For type B, we just reverse it. Okay, that is we add uncredited check and less unpresented check. Okay, so we add unpresented check. And the check number is 72381. Okay, so please add it. We have 41,570 and less uncredited check. We have 4,100. So we have 37,470. Okay. Okay, so sorry, that is A2 should be A1, A2. So for B, maybe I use another color. Okay, what is post-data check? So remember post-data check just like our 3, okay. Sorry, our 2, information 2. Today is 31st December 2017, but the check day is on the 3rd of January 2018. Okay, post-dated check. Means check dated with a future date. And the check number 723956 is the post-dated check. Okay, so this is the question for question 2, 2018.